Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine, you are doing good and you are safe. I expect that you are utilizing this time effectively in a productive way. In previous video lecture we did up to question number 8. Now in today's video lecture we will do question number 9. I will read the question. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC. Show that and its diagonals intersect at O. Show that AO by BO equals CO by DO. AO by BO equals, it's a very good question, CO by DO, and very simple question. We have given that the trapezium, what is trapezium? A quadrilateral hang one pair of opposite side parallel. So this ABCD is a trapezium and it has the diagonal, it is diagonal AB parallel DC. This AB is parallel to DC. So these are its diagonals and they intersect each other at O. We have to prove that AO by BO equals CO by DO. So let us write the given. First of all, you should able to write the given in a very lucid manner, in a very strict manner, so that you do not need write unnecessary informations here. Just write in a given must be written in a one go. We will write AC and BD, or this is your given AC and BD, or diagonals of trapezium ABCD intersecting each other at O. AC and BD are the diagonals of trapezium ABCD intersecting each other at O. To prove, we have to prove that AO by BO equals CO by DO. It is given, it is in your given in the textbook, you can check. We will do construction. Let us do construction. Throw or draw OM parallel to AB or DC, one and the same thing. If you draw parallel to AB, it will be automatically parallel to CD because these two lines are parallel. It is given that AB parallel DC. Trapezium ABCD, write it here, AB parallel DC. So if you draw OM parallel to AB, it is automatically parallel to DC. So we will write draw OM parallel to AB. If it is parallel to AB, it means it is parallel to or CD. Why? Because two lines which are parallel to same line are parallel to each other. Now proof, very simple proof. We have to prove that. Have a look. First of all, you should able to understand by which way we should head. AO by BO, CO by DO. You have to prove that AO by BO, CO by DO. So that means if we have to if you look clearly here, AO by CO, we can get it here. If you look AO by CO, we can get AO by CO. Here we can get DM by MB. So we will prove it in this way. In triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, OM parallel AB, is it? AM is parallel to AB, AOM is parallel to AB. So we will write DM, we will write DM by MA equals CO by OA. DM by MA equals CO by OA. So reason, M is first, and write the reason here by Thales theorem, and while writing in the examination read the complete statement. Similarly in triangle, ADC, again OM is parallel to DC, OM is parallel to DC. So we will write if OM is parallel to DC, so we will write DM by MA equals DO by OB. Name the second. Reason being, DM by MA equals DO by OB. Why? Write the reason here by Taylor's theorem. And what is Taylor's theorem? If a line is drawn parallel to any sides of triangle, other two sides are divided in the same ratio. We have to prove that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. So if you look from first and second, this is DM by MA. So it means these RHs are equal. From first and second, we get CO by OA equals DO by OB. CO by OA equals DO by OB. But we have to prove that AO by BO equals CO by DO. Have a look. We can prove it. We can write it CO. We have to prove that AO. So this is CO. AO by BO. Take AO here and take AO here. We will get CO. Yes. AO by BO. Yes. CO by DO. We will write CO by DO. CO by DO equals OA by OB. CO by DO equals OA by OB. So we can here now we have proved that we can name it OA as well. OA we can rename it AO, or we can write it CO by DO equals, it is OA, we can rename it, we will write it AO by BO. Again I will explain it here. What we did here, this is CO. What we do, we bring DO here, actually dividing throughout by DO, and this AO we take it, we can by with the help of cross multiplication we took it to the numerator of this side. So we got CO by DO equals OA by OB, or we can write it CO by DO equals AO by BO. Why? If you have to give the name of the side, suppose AB, you can name it BA also. There is no harm in this. So this was all about in this question. I hope you will get it. If you still find any difficulty in understanding it, please let me know that. Thank you, class.